It's another bright and sunny day here at the Cannes Film Festival. Hello and welcome to Prudent Media for this coverage of the biggest and the most happening festival in the world right here at Cannes. We are almost at the halfway mark and we've seen many films that have been showcased here. All eyes are on 25th of May when the Palme d'Or, the competition winner, will be declared. But apart from all the prizes that are there is one very interesting prize at the Cannes Film Festival, and that is the Palme Dog. Yes, it is an award given to a dog, the best dog in all the films that are being showcased at Cannes. Now, it's not an official award, it's an informal kind of an award where critics get together and they decide which was the best dog performance in all the films that were shown at Cannes. Now, this is not a very old award, it's been about 25 years, but I must say it's one of the most fascinating ones. It has also happened that filmmakers like Quentin Tarantino, actresses like Tilda Swinton, they have personally gone to collect the award on behalf of their dog which was there in the movie. Now, this year also there are a bunch of films in contention, and today there was a film which I saw called Dog on Trial. Well, the name is very, very suggestive, and it's based on a true story about a dog who was actually on trial. Now, something like this has never happened. It did happen once upon a time in the Middle Ages, as the film tells us, but it has not happened in a long time. Now, the story is set in Switzerland, and this is a comedy of sorts. It also makes some very important points about animal rights, some poignant points about feminism and about the role of women in society. But at the same time, it's a funny film, and I must say that nothing drives a point home like humor. Now, Dog on Trial, as I said, is based on a true story which happened in Switzerland, where a dog bit 3 women, and one of them was seriously bitten in the face. And as a result, the official said that the dog has to be put down. But the owner meets a lawyer, and who is also the director of the film. She's done a wonderful job on both the counts as a director and as an actress. Her name is Laetitia Doche, and she plays the lawyer who defends the dog. Now, how the story unfolds is fairly interesting, and I must say this is a crowd pleaser which will work universally. Will it win the Palme Dog? Well, we'll have to wait and find out. But there are a couple of other films also in the competition, including a film called Black Dog. Now, what is interesting is when the film premiered here at the Debussy Theatre today, the dog was also on the stage along with the cast and crew, and fair to say, he got a thunderous applause.
Travail qui sont très joyeux, très fort pour moi, et que maintenant c'est fini, là.
I must also add here that France is a very dog-friendly country. You don't just see dogs on the streets, along with their owners, of course, on a leash, but you also see them inside buildings and inside malls, and they are just about everywhere. In fact, there is the Marché du Film, which is the film market, which is downstairs here in this very building. Well, there you see dogs inside the film market, and it's a very pleasant sight, I must say, the way the dogs are roaming around and the way even the dogs smile at you. Now, among the Indian films that are being screened here at the Cannes Film Festival, there is a restored version of Shyam Benegal's Manthan. Now, it was nice to see Naseeruddin Shah present there for the screening, along with Pratik Babbar, the son of Smita Patil.